Hello everyone, and welcome to my food channel. Today I'm sharing a fantastic air fryer recipe that is virtually foolproof and easy for anyone to master. Crispy, tender, and creamy Portuguese egg tarts. Whether you're a kitchen novice or someone who's usually too busy to cook, you can easily whip up this dessert. Without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. Many people think egg tarts are just a treat to satisfy a craving and lack nutritional value, but that's actually not the case. The core ingredients are eggs and milk, offering solid nutritional benefits. Eggs are rich in high-quality animal protein and essential amino acids. They are highly digestible and great for nourishing the body. Milk provides plenty of calcium and B vitamins, making it a healthy addition to your daily diet. Plus, the butter-based pastry crust adds just the right amount of fat to keep you feeling satisfied, making these tarts perfect for breakfast or an afternoon snack. Beyond their nutritional value, the best thing about these egg tarts is how easy they are to make. You don't need complex tools or techniques, just an air fryer at home. The whole process takes little more than 10 minutes, and you don't need to stand there watching them the entire time. The finished tarts feature a flaky, crispy crust and a soft, tender, and slightly bouncy filling that's sweet without being cloying, a treat that's hard for both adults and kids to resist. This recipe is perfect for a wide range of people. Moms looking to make wholesome snacks for their kids, using clean, trustworthy ingredients, office workers in a rush who want a nutritious breakfast ready in minutes, and even complete beginners who have never stepped foot in a kitchen. Just follow the steps, and you'll succeed on the first try without any mishaps. Now, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. It's incredibly simple, so even beginners won't go wrong. First and foremost is the egg tart shell. I personally use the butter-based tart shells from Huangjia Shahu, Royal Little Tiger, and highly recommend them. They offer great value for money. A single box contains a generous 30 shells, enough for a family to enjoy 2 or 3 times, making the cost per tart very low. Most importantly, they feature a zero additive formula free from unnecessary chemicals, so you can feel confident serving them to your children. The best part is the convenience. There's no need to knead dough or laminate pastry layers to make the tart shells yourself. You can simply buy them and thaw them before use, saving hours of prep work, a huge plus for beginners and those who prefer a hassle-free process. The remaining ingredients are kitchen staples: 2 fresh eggs, a 200 milliliter carton of whole milk, and some granulated sugar. That's all you need, no complicated additives. It's incredibly simple, isn't it? Once the ingredients are ready, we can start making the egg tart filling. This step is very straightforward. Just pay attention to a few small details and the filling will turn out wonderfully smooth and tender. First, take a clean mixing bowl, make sure it's completely free of water and oil, and gently crack the 2 eggs into it. Be careful not to let any shell fall in. If a piece of shell does accidentally drop in, you can easily fish it out by touching it with a chopstick dipped in the egg mixture. There's no need to use your fingers and get them messy. Next, pour in the 200 milliliters of milk and add some granulated sugar to taste. A quick note here, there's no strict rule for the amount of sugar. Add a bit more if you like it sweeter, or less if you're making it for children or prefer it less sweet. Feel free to adjust it to your liking. You don't have to stick to a rigid measurement. Now, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. They are incredibly simple, so even beginners won't buy the wrong things. First and foremost is the egg tart shell. I always use the butter-based tart shells from Huangjia Shahu, Royal Little Tiger, and I highly recommend them. They offer great value for money. A single box contains a generous 30 shells, enough for a family to enjoy 2 or 3 times, making the cost per tart very low. Most importantly, they feature a zero additive formula, free from unnecessary chemicals, so you can feel confident serving them to your children. The best part is the convenience. There's no need to knead dough or laminate pastry layers to make the tart shells yourself. You can simply buy them, thaw them, and use them immediately, saving hours of prep work. It's a fantastic option for beginners and anyone looking for an easy, low-effort recipe. The remaining ingredients are pantry staples you likely already have at home: 2 fresh eggs, a 200 milliliter carton of milk, and some granulated sugar. That's it, no complicated additives. It's incredibly simple, isn't it? Once the ingredients are ready, we can start making the egg tart filling. This step is very straightforward. Just pay attention to a few small details and the filling will turn out wonderfully smooth and tender. First, take a clean mixing bowl. Make sure it is completely dry and free of any oil or grease, and gently crack the 2 eggs into it. Be careful not to let any shell fall in. If a piece of shell does accidentally drop in, you can easily fish it out by touching it with a chopstick dipped in the egg mixture. There's no need to use your fingers and get them messy. Next, pour in the 200 milliliters of milk and add some granulated sugar to taste. A quick tip here, there's no strict rule for the amount of sugar. Add a bit more if you prefer it sweeter, or less if you're making it for children or want to cut down on sugar. Feel free to adjust it to your liking. You don't have to stick to a rigid measurement. Now, it's time to mix. You can use an electric whisk if you have one, but a pair of ordinary chopsticks works perfectly well too. When mixing, try to fully break up the egg whites and yolks. Make sure everything is blended thoroughly so the whites and yolks are completely combined without any clumps of egg white remaining. Otherwise, the baked tarts might have lumps of cooking egg white, ruining the smooth texture. You don't need to whip the mixture vigorously. Avoid creating too much foam. Simply stir slowly in one direction until the mixture turns into a uniform pale yellow-white liquid with a smooth consistency. When you scoop it up, there shouldn't be any visible clumps of egg white. That means it's ready. The whole process takes just a minute or two and is very easy to handle. Even a first-timer can get it right without any trouble. Once the filling is mixed, we can pour it into the tart shells. There are a few common pitfalls here that beginners often fall into, so listen carefully to avoid any mishaps. First, the egg tart shells are purchased frozen. Simply take them out to thaw before use. Once thawed, the shells remain in their aluminum foil molds. Since thawing causes some condensation, the pastry becomes soft and fragile, so handle them gently. Try to hold the edges of the foil mold rather than touching the pastry itself. Touching it directly can cause it to stick to your fingers or tear, leading to messy leaks later. Pour the egg tart mixture slowly to avoid spills. Crucially, do not overfill the shells. If filled too high, the filling will expand as it heats and bakes, causing it to overflow into the air fryer. This not only wastes ingredients, but also creates burnt residue that is difficult to clean. Generally, filling the shells to about 80% capacity is ideal. Leaving a little space for expansion ensures the filling is plump without overflowing, resulting in a better appearance and texture. Some might ask if the molds need to be greased to prevent sticking. There is absolutely no need. The pastry is made with butter and releases its own oil during baking, so it won't stick to the mold. Adding extra oil would simply make the pastry too greasy and spoil the taste. Finally, here's a tip for placement. Since the thawed shells are soft and prone to deforming when handled, it is best to arrange the empty molds in the air fryer basket first, and then pour in the mixture. This prevents the pastry from tearing due to shaking or movement while pouring. Of course, if you are careful, you can fill them before placing them in the fryer. Just do whatever works best for you. Once they're all filled, the egg tarts are ready to go into the air fryer. Now, let's set up the air fryer and start baking. I use a model with a 7-inch basket at home, which holds up to 7 egg tarts at a time, just the right amount for both kids and adults. If you're serving a larger group, you can simply bake them in 2 batches. It's quick and easy. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and the timer to 12 minutes. That's plenty of time to cook them perfectly. A quick tip: don't be tempted to extend the baking time. If left in too long, the edges can easily burn and the filling dries out, losing that signature silky, tender texture. It ruins the taste and wastes both electricity and ingredients. Definitely not worth it. You don't need to keep pulling the basket out to check on them while they bake. The air fryer stops automatically when the time is up. It's completely hassle-free. Just wait for them to be ready. Time's up. Let's take the tarts out of the air fryer. Look at them. Golden, crispy pastry shells and plump, rounded fillings with those lovely little caramelized spots. They smell incredibly tempting, with rich notes of milk and egg. Take a bite and you'll experience flaky, layered pastry that crumbles delicately. The filling is tender, smooth, and delightfully soft and bouncy, with a gentle sweetness that never feels cloying. My kids can easily polish off 3 or 4 at a time. They are truly delicious. These egg tarts are not only nutritious and tasty, but also a dream come true for anyone looking for an easy, low-effort recipe. They're perfect for a quick breakfast when you're in a rush, or as a treat to pack for camping trips, outings, or family activities. Making them at home means you know exactly what goes into them. It's economical, hygienic, and gives you peace of mind. Plus, it works out much cheaper than buying them at a bakery. It's a convenient way to save money, so I highly recommend giving it a try. That wraps up today's tutorial on air fryer egg tarts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and feel free to share it with family and friends so you can all enjoy making these delicious tarts at home. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing plenty more recipes for tasty dishes and home-style meals to help you level up your cooking skills so you'll never have to worry about what to make for dinner again.